Bags family, it's your other brother Adam, Get Bags, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download and install VS Code so we can get started with our web app projects. And just a quick note, if you haven't installed Python, you can come over here to python.org/downloads and download Python. And if you've seen my other video, how to download and install Anaconda, you can also go to anaconda.com and download here, and this will get Python on your system. Then we can proceed to install VS Code. First, let's pop over to Google and let's Google search VS Code download. Right here at the top, we got visualstudio.com, and then it's got your operating system here. So just click whichever operating system you've got. That'll start the download here. Then once that's done, just go ahead, click that open, or go to your downloads folder and open that. You can go ahead, read through their agreement, and then aggressively click through. I'm just gonna have this installed in the default location here, and I'm just gonna go with everything as default. Keep it moving. Once that's all done, we can go ahead and click Launch Visual Studio Code. So when you open your VS Code, it'll probably look something like this. They'll probably have some welcome notes and then some other stuff for you to read through. So you can open the Explorer up here on the side, but first thing you're going to want to do once you get it open is open the extensions panel here, and then go ahead and search Python. And then here Python will be up at the top, and you can just click install, and then that'll get Python installed. So once that installation's all done, you can come up to your terminal here and open a new terminal. And then you can see here is where we have the current directory of our terminal. So I want to navigate back to the desktop and then create a new folder that we can get started to build our web app. So I'm going to use CD, and that's going to take me back 2 folders. And now we're in the desktop. So now I'm just going to create a new test folder where we can start to store all of our files we use for our web app. So we use the make dir function, and I'm just going to call it vol app. We have now created it using the ls function. You can see that we've created the directory. So now we want to just navigate to that. So we use cd vol app, and now you can see we're inside of the folder that we just created. So if I minimize the screens here, we can see that this vol app folder has been created on our desktop. Booyakasha! Now you've downloaded and installed VS Code and the Python extension. Next, we're going to be setting up our virtual environment and creating a database so we can start pulling data into our web app. Until then, you have my blessing, fam. Let's go get these bags.